Jim and Tracy chose this ranch-style retreat as home so that Tracy could have her horses nearby.
Not only do I love the horses, the kids love the horses. Sophia loves to go feed the horses with me and help me clean the pastures. And if the horses weren't in the backyard, that would be difficult for us to do.
The bones of the house were great, but the outside was brown and tan. Every room on the inside was brown and tan. Some fencing was in disrepair. So I knew day one there was going to be a lot of work.
I do agree, but you just can't beat the fact that we're on 5.5 acres this close to downtown. This property is really hard to find.
As beautiful as it is, it's just not how I want to live. So when we first walked into the house, I thought the kitchen looked very nice. But after working in the kitchen, I realized it just doesn't work. There's no room, there's no space. With our lifestyles, it's not like we ever just sit down at our kitchen table and have dinner together. We don't. And you know, we have a potting bench in there for an island that you can't even put stools around. The seating on the opposite side of the sink is so small. It just doesn't work. We all can't sit there.
It's fixable.
We don't have a garage. We don't have a mudroom. We come into the den area of the house. The kids throw their shoes, their book bags. It's just a disaster all the time.
We could add a mudroom. We've got the space. We could add a garage.
Another issue we have here at the house is the laundry room. It's not a laundry room. It's a closet. There's always laundry going. And where does it end up? In my dining room.
I'm sure there's a better location, but I don't know where that is.
The kids' bathroom, it just doesn't function. It's so tiny, the cabinets are outdated, the fixtures in there are outdated. And now that Bella's getting older, she doesn't want to be in that bathroom because it's so tiny. She wants to go use the guest bathroom all the time.
I know Bella's getting at the age where she needs more space in the bathroom, but we can fix things, move things around.
The sunroom, it has one of the best views in the house. You and I don't even get to use it because of all the toys out there.
I bet we can find another space in this house for a bonus room.
There's no bonus room in this house. So we have an office where I keep my guitars in, but I don't have any room for my guitar cases. All the guitar cases are in the tub, and we have a desk in there. My wife has been working more from the house, and so she's used that room a lot more. There's a lot of times I'll be sitting in there playing, and she'll go, "Jim, I've got a conference call in 5 minutes. You got to leave." It'd be really nice to have a separate office and a separate area for my guitars. The other problem we have with the master bedroom is our closet. None of my clothes are in there, zilch. All my clothes are in the guest bedroom. We need to find a house that's more functional. I want a fresh start.
We started our journey here. It's home. I can't imagine not spending the rest of our lives here.
What I see is lots of work on the weekends. We will find a place that's going to work for us where I don't have to spend time painting rooms, mending fences, or whatever it is. I promise you we'll find that.
This type of property, it's not out there anywhere else.
I understand, but we have a house that just doesn't function for our family. We're definitely going to move.
No, we're not. We're staying. We're going to fix the house, and we're going to love it.
So I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $875,000.
That sounds right.
That sounds within the range.
Mm-hmm.
What is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
It's going to be very hard for us to leave this beautiful property, but we must have an open concept kitchen and living room, 4 bedrooms, and at least 3 bathrooms, but I'd prefer 4. Bonus room for kids, office space for myself, a guitar room for Jim. We definitely need a 2-car garage, a private lot. I want the horses on our property.
Okay.
I mean, my preference would be on a smaller lot, so I'm not working all the time on the weekends. The horses don't necessarily need to be on our property.
It's kind of 2 different prices. What you're talking about might be a little bit cheaper than what you're talking about. What's the budget?
The budget is $950,000.
Let's see what I can come up with. And it's going to be a process where you guys are going to decide which way we go with this.
Sounds great.
Sounds good.
Over to you.
I love the property. I completely understand everything that you want, but you're the man I have to convince that this is a home that you could stay in.
Well, I think it's going to be a tough task, Hilary. We need to renovate and open up the kitchen, enlarge and renovate the master bath and closet. We need to maintain a guest room. We need to renovate the girls' bathroom, create an office space for Tracy. We need to add an attached garage, to add a laundry room, create a mudroom. And we need a girls' bonus space.
What's my budget?
$170,000.
I'm really glad to hear that because I believe that with $170,000, I can work wonders in this house.
But everything needs to be done in order for him to love it.
Right now, honestly, all that I can promise is that I'll do everything that I can.
It's huge.
And then you look at this kitchen and it's just so wrong. Obviously, we're gonna open right up, knock this down, but I'm still gonna have to build this out to be deep enough to put cabinets on this wall, right?
Okay.
But I've got to pick up space, right? So I can compensate for that by having a nice big island in here.
Huh. All right.
Okay?
What's next?
This bathroom needs complete updating,
Jack and Jill.
but it's not gonna be anymore because that's gonna be mudroom laundry.
Ah, no more door.
Closing off, no doors. But on top of that, what I really want to do is to add a shower. So there'll be a tub and a shower. Because this is a bathroom that's going to be used by Sophia, but it's also got to be used by the guests when they come.
Okay, but
What?
where's Bella going?
So this is where I'm going to put the guest room for the occasional guest.
Okay.
And also it's going to become Tracy's office.
Looks simple.
So now, those pillars, they gotta go.
There are 4 columns there.
I know.
They're there for a reason.
I don't care if it's a load-bearing wall, we'll put in a beam, get them gone.
Bada beam, bada boom.
So here we are in...
Bella's room.
No, I'll get to Bella's room. This is actually Jim's equivalent of man cave. So basically, with Tracy out of here, this is his space.
I'm sure he's gonna be happy.
Oh, he's gonna love it. Bella's room.
Every little girl wants a stone fireplace in their bedroom.
Do you think so?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, so there's a really nice closet here, but I'm gonna have to reduce it, I'm afraid, because I need the space for what's gonna be the new master.
Oh, you better show me this.
I will. So, yeah, I know it's kind of weird. The reason this is all gonna work is because the master bedroom is gonna be closed off from the main living area. So there'll be a wall with a door that leads into the master. Closet on this side, and there's a big bathroom in here. It needs to be completely updated, and I'm gonna obviously put in a double vanity. This is gonna be the new master bedroom, and this lovely sunroom will become an extension of the master.
Ah.
Over on David's end of things,
It's gonna have space for the horses in the back that you can't see from here.
Right.
he's leading Tracy and Jim to water in the real estate market. But can he get them to take a drink?
Good-looking house.
I mean, it's a good-looking house, but we need 4 bedrooms.
Nice little horse farm.
That house is amazing. It has everything we need.
It's just way over budget, David.
So what do you think?
If we're gonna be this far out, it needs to be perfect. I think we need to see some more places, Jim.
Tracy basically wants a perfect house that's move-in ready. This next house with Jim and Tracy is on 3.44 acres. Horse stables, 2 minutes away. The house, 5,200 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Beautiful open concept main floor. A fantastic area for Jim and his guitars, a workspace for Tracy, and a play area for the kids to hang out. This place has got everything.
Where's the barn, David?
And look at this beautiful house. You're asking me where the barn is?
Yes.
The barn is 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm open to that. Sounds
Let's go
good.
see the house.
All right. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Here you have your family room, eat-in kitchen
Nice.
combination.
This is fantastic.
The cabinets are darker than what we wanted.
That's an easy fix, though, Trace.
All you'd have to do is send them out to be repainted. Look at this double screened-in porch.
This is nice.
This is great.
And you've got this
Look at
incredible
that.
sitting area down there.
David, this
Pretty.
is fantastic.
The 3-car garage.
Yeah, I like this.
Exactly what we need.
Yep.
Main
This
floor laundry, tons of storage.
Storage space up here.
Yep.
But this doesn't even compare to what we're gonna have at our house.
We'll see.
Main floor master bedroom. It's nice and bright.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Access to that screened-in porch.
This is great.
Great master closets. You've got his and hers,
Perfect.
separate toilet,
Oh,
double
nice.
sinks,
Oh, that's nice.
huge shower, and a soaker tub.
Oh, I like that.
There's more. Let's go. This is going to be Bella's bedroom.
Oh, goodness. Wow.
She's got a nice little walk-in closet there to set up and access to her own bathroom.
That'll work.
Jim, this is gonna be for you.
Now we're talking.
You can set this up any way you like.
Perfect.
So Tracy, this is going to be your dedicated office space.
Okay.
So Jim, you now have your space, and Tracy, you have yours.
This will definitely work for us.
You've now got a dedicated guest room, if you want it, with its own bathroom. 2 minutes from the house. It's got everything you need, and a whack of stalls to boot.
I'm pretty happy right now.
What do you think the house is listed at?
At least $925,000.
What do you think?
I'll say $900,000.
House is listed at $889,000.
Wow.
Well below the top end of your
That's-
budget.
So we do need to factor in the board. I mean, we've got 4 horses, but very promising and exciting.
Starting right here.
All
Okay,
right,
great.
we're ready.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to
amazing.
say.
You've got those roll-out laundry baskets underneath. Having the access right here gives you the mudroom that you need. You've got to be able to come in from the barn and get the shoes off.
Look at
They
that.
can put their backpacks up for school.
This is
Beautiful.
fantastic. Oh my gosh. It's just stunning.
It's a complete turnaround.
Of course, it's for your daughter, but it's also for any guests that come to say they
Yes.
have a full bath.
It's more than what I imagined.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready.
All right.
Oh, wow.
This
This
is
is
your
beautiful.
dedicated guest room,
Wow.
which is what you wanted.
3 for 3. I hate to say it.
Okay, so we're going to keep going.
Yes.
Okay. Tracy.
Oh my gosh.
When you walk in the front door, this is what you see. So this fireplace makes sense now.
Don't say.
We love having people over.
I mean, it's just incredible.
It's beautiful.
I'm already taking a peek into the kitchen. Look at
Oh
that.
my gosh.
It's a mixture always of function and beauty.
I might start cooking.
This is the gathering.
I can
Right
see it
here.
right now.
You have a constant connection everywhere
Yeah,
with
it's-
every area.
Yeah, this is excellent.
It's incredible.
Look at that. That is gorgeous.
So you've
Okay.
now got your own closet.
This is
Your own
plenty of room.
space.
No stone fireplace, I'm sorry.
That's okay, because the barn door makes up
The
for
barn
the stone
doors look
fireplace.
beautiful.
Oh. The space is incredible.
This is fantastic.
We can wake up, see the horses, see the view. I have my own office.
And look at the room next door.
Your old office, that's their new play area. We had to come up with 2 office spaces, and it just evolved into adjoining rooms.
These rooms are nice size. Guitars on the wall.
I think we've won him over.
David's on his way over, so we're not safe yet. But I think we're doing
looking
well.
good.
David found Jim and Tracy a home that checked off all the boxes on their wish list, including the ability to have the horses nearby. Hilary also addressed important must-haves for Jim and Tracy. She gave them an open concept kitchen, a mudroom with laundry, 2 separate offices, and above all, the horses can stay put. But in the end, she couldn't deliver the garage without a substantial budget increase.
So, decision made?
I think so.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
Awesome!
David brought us the house for the future.
And having the horses off-site is...
You know, it might be nice to have a little break and not have to pick stalls every
Yes.
day. And
Well, I'm really happy that you found what you need. I was just worried about the horses, so if you're good with that, I'm good with that. Enjoy your new home.
okay, thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
Guys, we'll see you.